Let's talk about something big that's happening behind the scenes in finance. Blockchain isn't just about crypto anymore. It's becoming a powerful tool for real-world financial operations. In 2025, that shift is clearer than ever. Institutions are no longer experimenting with blockchain on the sidelines. They're using it to improve the infrastructure behind their daily operations, from custody and fund administration to collateral management and real-time settlement. This isn't hype. It's a strategic move towards systems that are faster, more transparent, and built for compliance. Custody and fund administration built for institutions. So, what's actually happening behind the scenes? Let's start with custody and fund administration, the foundation of how institutions secure and track digital assets. As more assets go on-chain, firms need more than just wallets. They need regulated, enterprise-grade custody platforms that meet legal and operational standards. That's where platforms like Fireblocks and Anchorage come in. They offer features like multi-signature approvals, role-based access, and smart contract compatibility, allowing institutions to store assets securely and maintain full control. But custody is only part of the equation. These platforms also connect to automated fund tools, removing the friction from NAV calculations, redemptions, and portfolio tracking. That means faster reporting, stronger audit trails, and less manual work. In today's landscape, where speed and transparency matter more than ever, those efficiencies are no longer optional. Collateral and settlement from days to seconds. Now let's talk about collateral and settlement, two of the most operationally intensive parts of finance. Traditionally, settling trades or posting collateral involves multiple intermediaries, reconciliation delays, and T+2 settlement cycles. Blockchain changes that. Take JPMorgan's Onyx digital assets platform, for example. It's already processed billions in tokenized collateral, allowing assets to move in real time, directly between counterparties. That's not just faster, it's safer. Smart contracts automate margin calls, enforce rules, and reduce errors. And because everything's recorded on-chain, disputes and reconciliation issues are less likely. It's capital efficiency with built-in control, something legacy systems have long struggled to deliver. Infrastructure improvements, real-time becomes reality. None of this would be possible without continued infrastructure upgrades. In 2025, Layer 1 and Layer 2 protocols are faster, cheaper, and more interoperable than ever. This enables near-instant settlement, even across borders, and with central bank digital currencies and sovereign blockchain pilots gaining traction, global transactions are entering a new phase, where finality happens in seconds, not days. This opens up possibilities for real-time FX, on-chain repo markets, and automated treasury management, all running 24/7. It's a big leap, not just in speed, but in how money moves. Compliance and consulting meeting regulatory demands. Let's be clear, innovation without regulation doesn't work in institutional finance. That's why compliance infrastructure is now a key part of blockchain adoption. New mandates from the SEC, CFTC, and global regulators require firms to prove compliance, AML procedures, and KYC practices. Blockchain helps if used the right way. Platforms like Chainalysis and TRM Labs help institutions trace transactions, manage risk, and meet audit demands using on-chain data. Zero-knowledge proofs and decentralized ID systems also let firms verify facts, like asset reserves or user credentials, without exposing sensitive data. It's a shift from blockchain is risky to blockchain strengthens compliance. So what does it all mean? Blockchain is no longer a speculative add-on. It's becoming a foundational layer of finance, supporting everything from tokenized private equity to real-time cash flow operations. Institutions no longer see it as a threat, they see it as an upgrade. It's not about betting on coins anymore, it's about improving cycles, compliance, and capital management, and that shift is accelerating. At Kenson Investments, we help institutions stay ahead of this shift. Our research-driven insights and digital asset consulting services are designed to support strategy, not speculation. Want to understand what blockchain can do for your infrastructure? Visit kensoninvestments.com and explore how we can help you build a roadmap backed by expertise.